Welcome to Design Showcase. Today we are in Hudson at Freedom Cabinets with Bill and Mark. So let's talk about Freedom Cabinets.
We started in 2002, so it's been 23 years that we've been in business. Been in the building industry for over 41 years. We have lots of experience in kitchen design, countertops.
And what are some of the brands that you guys carry, Mark?
So we carry KraftMaid cabinetry, we carry Shiloh cabinetry, and we carry Atlas cabinets.
And you guys are known for beautiful showrooms. If you haven't been in Hudson or North Royalton, you got to come out here because you have more displays, I think, than anyone in the market.
Well, thank you.
Let's talk about the different cabinet options that you have for people's budgets.
All right, we start off with a budget-conscious cabinet, Atlas cabinets, our own cabinet line. Great all plywood construction, soft closed drawers, full extensions. We have all the bells and whistles of even the more expensive cabinet lines that we also carry. We've been a KraftMaid dealer for the 23 years that we've been in business, the 41 years that I've been in the industry. So it's just been a great super line, locally made and sourced. We also have Shiloh cabinets, which is a privately held company. They do a lot of interesting things. They're doing a lot of white oak. They do very affordable inset cabinets. Their paint colors are just up to date.
So not only do you carry cabinets, you carry countertops which sit upon those.
Absolutely, and for the most part, when people come into people's houses, they look at the countertops, their eyes go away from the cabinets and it goes right to the countertop. Countertops are kind of the decoration piece on top of our cabinets, and we have countertop ranges from very affordable all the way to, super high end.
Right. So Mark, if the viewers say that they saw you on RES TV, do you have any promos?
Yeah, you mentioned that you saw us on this show, 10% off your entire cabinet order.